So welcome everyone to this new skill tree tutorial video. In this video I will be showing you what the issue was that we had in the previous video. At the end of it, let's just click play so that I can explain it better. So I did a little bit of changes. We had 3 before, now we have 4, and these 2 are children of this node. So I will show you what the actual problem is so that you can understand it. So when we buy and sell, we notify the parent that it can be sold or not, depending on whether the child is bought. So, for example, if we buy this, we cannot sell the parent, but if we sell the child, we can sell the parent. All right. So that's all good and that, but the problem arises when a node has more than one child. So, for instance, let's buy this one, and we cannot sell the parent. That's all right. We buy the second one, we still cannot sell the parent. And the thing is that if we sell one of these, the parent, now it's possible to sell it. And what's more, this node was bought, and if we now again buy the parent, it appears as red. And if you see here down here the output, and we click to buy, in this case the node, it appears that the node is sold. And if we press it again, it is bought. Okay, so I think with this information you guys can figure out how where and how to solve it, where the problem is and how to solve it. So I'll just leave a couple seconds and to allow you guys to do it, and afterwards I will show you how it is done. All right, welcome back. So the issue here lies in the skill node functionality. So the thing is, the problem arises when we try to sell the node. And why is that? Because we are setting somewhere this can be sold attribute. And where is this set? Well, this is set in the sell node. This is the set as well in the purchase node, but we're not using these two. We're actually setting it here. So the thing is, how can we modify this toggle selling? All right, so that we detect when we're trying to sell and when we're trying and see if we can actually sell the node. Well, the thing we need to do is to check the children values. So we have here our children nodes, a dictionary containing all the children of the node, and we also have access to the isBought flag. So in the toggle selling, we could do something like, when we are trying to sell the parent, so allow the parent to be sold, this flag will be true. And we only care when the parent is being set to true, the can be sold. So let's just do it this way: if flag else. Actually, yeah. So it's better. So if the flag is true, we will do something. So if we are attempting to put the current node as can be sold, we need to do stuff. But if the flag is false, we will have the previous functionality, which was can be sold equals flag. But because flag is false, we can just set it like this. So what can we do here? Well, we will check whether all the children nodes are sold. So all children nodes sold or something, and we expect it to be true. So the moment we find a node that is bought, this flag will be set to false. And in the end, if all children nodes are sold, our node can be sold. So how do we go about this? So this is quite easy. We just have to iterate over the children nodes, and we have it stored in the values. And how can we do this? Well, this is we need to set this. We could set we could say that if a child is bought, right? But I didn't think yeah, I'm writing it wrong. So if a child is bought, then all children not unsold is false, right? And if I'm not mistaken, this should do the trick. So let's try it. We buy this, we buy everything, and then we try to sell one of the children. And here it is. We cannot sell the parent. We need to sell the other child for the parent to be able to be sold. Exactly, that's it. So I hope you tried the exercise. I really hope you got it right. And if not, yeah, you just have the solution here. So yeah, this was a really fast video, and I'll try tomorrow to have the video for the, what was it again? Yeah, the user interface. So I hope you really liked this video. Give it a like if you really wanted it, if you really liked it. And yeah, see you soon. Ciao.